ready to ditch the time tracking chaos and get seriously organized. Let's dive into setting up Clockify, the free time tracking tool, in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Clockify and click on the sign up button. You can sign up with your email address, Google account, or even your Apple ID. Choose whichever is easiest for you. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to create a workspace. This is where all your team's time tracking data will live. Give your workspace a clear, descriptive name, like your company's name or project name. Next, let's invite your team. Click on the Team tab in the sidebar and then the Invite Users button. Simply enter their email addresses and assign them roles, typically user for regular team members or admin for those needing higher level access. Now, for a bit of customization, click on the Settings tab here. You can set your work week start date, choose your preferred date format, and even enable features like required fields and project templates. To get started, create your first project. Go to the Projects tab, click New Project, name your project, assign it to the right people and set a billing rate if you want to track billable hours. Repeat steps to add tags, which can help classify tasks and improve your reports. And that's it. You've successfully set up Clockify and are ready to start tracking your time. Be sure to explore all the features like reports, timesheets, and integrations to truly maximize your productivity. Happy time tracking!